Are you wondering how to do email marketing with AWeber? In this quick guide, we'll show you exactly how AWeber works for email marketing, what features it offers, and how to make the most of it, while also discussing some alternative platforms that could be better for your needs. Stick around till the end because I'll share an exclusive offer that'll help you get started with the best tools for your business. To start, AWeber is one of the oldest and most well-known email marketing platforms. It's built to help you create, send, and track email campaigns. Setting up is simple. You can create a free account, choose a template, and start designing your emails. If you're new to email marketing, AWeber's drag-and-drop email builder makes things easy. You can also upload your contact list in a matter of minutes. Next thing, AWeber offers powerful automation tools. For example, you can create automated email sequences, meaning you can set up a series of emails to send automatically based on triggers like a sign-up or a purchase. This makes it ideal for nurturing leads and keeping customers engaged. But the downside is the learning curve. AWeber has a lot of features, and while it's great for beginners, it can be a bit overwhelming if you're trying to set up more advanced automation without a lot of prior experience. The fourth thing is segmentation. AWeber lets you segment your email list based on things like purchase history, engagement, or even location. This is great for targeting specific groups within your audience. But be aware, while segmentation is powerful, AWeber's interface for list management can sometimes feel clunky, especially when dealing with larger lists. The fifth thing to know is AWeber's reporting and analytics. It tracks things like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, so you can see how well your campaigns are performing. But compared to other platforms, some users find AWeber's analytics a bit basic. For deeper insights, you may want to use integrations with other tools like Google Analytics. Next up is AWeber's pricing. It's reasonable if you're starting out and only have a small list, but as your business grows, you might find AWeber becoming more expensive compared to other platforms that offer similar functionality. Plus, the free version limits you to 500 subscribers, which may be restrictive if you're aiming for faster growth. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk alternatives. While AWeber is a solid tool, it's not always the best fit for everyone. If you're looking for more advanced features, better automation options, or even just a more user-friendly interface, there are alternatives that might serve your needs better. We've tested several options, and there are two platforms that stand out, especially if you're focused on ease of use and automation. These platforms offer extended free trials, and I'll drop the links in the description so you can check them out for yourself. But back to AWeber. If you still think it's right for you, don't forget that you can use our link for an exclusive and extended free trial. You'll also unlock benefits that aren't available to the general public. But remember, we've got alternatives that could offer you more tailored solutions depending on your needs, so make sure to check those out as well. In summary, AWeber is a reliable tool for email marketing, with its strong automation and segmentation features, but it's not without its drawbacks. Be sure to take advantage of the best deals through the links in the description and get the most out of your email marketing efforts.